going on, everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and you read the title right. Over the past about 6 months, I have made roughly $3,000 worth of cryptocurrency through the platform Crypto.com, and it gets even better because the total reward from my participation in this platform is over $5,400. So Crypto.com is by far the best investment that I have made in the crypto industry in general. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over how much I've made. We're also gonna talk about how I made it, particularly within the Crypto.com platform. And then also we're gonna talk about my plan for going forward. And by the way, can I just mention that we are already at almost 3,700 subscribers, which is just phenomenal in my mind. I remember making the video for 1,000 subscribers and doing that giveaway that we did. The experience that came from that was just absolutely breathtaking. And so I'm genuinely thankful. And to be honest, all of this is possible not because of what I've done, but because of you. So for all of the likes, the comments, subscribing to the channel, sharing the videos, watching the videos and enjoying them, really, you are the ones who make this possible. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I genuinely appreciate it. So with all that being said, make sure you like this video. Just smash the like button, absolutely destroy it. And let's get started with the video. Originally, when I heard about Crypto.com, I was really interested in it because MCO or Monaco actually bought the Crypto.com domain, and they were just launching their platform. Now, as most of you know, there are a lot of platforms out there that have a lot of hype and build up to it. So what was different about this one? The biggest thing was it didn't show signs of a scam. Because that's what all these cryptocurrency industry platforms do, and it is freaking ridiculous. Which, by the way, I think I may have found a way out of Cloud Token. So for those of you who are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on. That way you get notified of that. Anyway, so originally, when I first joined the platform, I got the Crypto.com Midnight Blue card. And this is the card I actually got. It was really good. It didn't take me very long after that to realize I should make a deposit and stake some MCO, because right off the bat, you get $50 worth of MCO tokens just for staking that MCO. You get a sign-up bonus just for doing that. And with that, you get access to this, which is the Ruby Red card. So instead of it being plastic, it's actually metal. You can hear it. It's a lot heavier. And so this card has been really great because it has more rewards. So I get Spotify Premium for free, which is really, really great. To be honest, I don't even use it that often, but just the fact that it's a great way to have the service if I need it, and it gets reimbursed to me in MCO tokens as a reward. Top notch. I love it. I've had the Ruby Red for almost 6 months now, and I'm planning to upgrade to the Jade Green in the next couple months, probably. Actually, so why don't you give me like a heart or a smiley face if you think I should get the Jade Green, or a frowny face and like a broken heart if you think I should just stick with the Ruby Red and not even bother with the Jade Green. So let's jump into the app so you can see what I've got going on. Now, this is pretty much the first time that I've actually shown people in my app. As you can see, I have about 2141 worth of cryptocurrency in the account. And part of the reason, I know some of you are gonna say, "Oh, Chris, you said you made $3,000. Well, yes, I did. I put about $1,000 worth of Bitcoin into a platform called Cloud Token, which turned out to be a scam. So that's why I don't have more in there. Like I said, initially I got the sign-up bonus, which was $50 for, at the time, MCO was only worth around $3, so it was about $150 that I put into the platform. Now, the second part is I made money from referring people into this app. Now, I've referred a lot more people than I've gained referral bonuses for, because I only get a referral bonus if they sign up for the Ruby Red Visa. There's a two-way benefit. There's actually a three-way benefit to that. I'm going to talk about that in a second. But as you can see here, I've referred 50 people in the past 6 months, and that means I gained $2,500 in MCO tokens at what was the current price of MCO whenever they signed up. So keep in mind, I could have lost or gained depending on that, but with MCO being at the current price that it's at, I have made lots of gains, and we'll talk about that. The next way that I was able to earn was through the Crypto.com earn feature. And as you go in here, basically what this is like putting your crypto in a savings account. So you're staking coins for a certain period, and in return, you're getting rewarded in that cryptocurrency. The rewards are different for different cryptocurrencies. The highest rewards are going to be for MCO and for CRO, those are the two Crypto.com native currencies. And so as you can see right now, I have about close to $1,400 worth of CRO in the platform, and total lifetime earnings is $1,679. And so this is the crazy thing. Literally, I put all of this into CRO maybe 2.5 weeks ago. I only had like $3 worth of earnings at the time. So in 2.5 weeks, I've already gained $13 in CRO. And as you can see here, I'm on the flexible, which means I earn 12% per annum, which is per year. I could stake it for longer periods of time, which I've considered, but with how volatile it is right now, I figured the flexible is just safer for me to do. So as you can see here, CRO is a very good example. So you have the flexible and the 1 month and the 3 month, and so you can earn all the way up to 16% per annum for whatever you stake in here. It's a really great deal. So I absolutely love that. So moving on, like I mentioned, with the Ruby Red Visa, you get some rewards. You get 2% on every purchase that you make, and you also get Spotify Premium for free. So when you can see here, the card cash back, I've gotten $2.75 total. I really don't use it for spending that much because I'd rather keep my crypto rather than spending the money. I also do have some credit cards that have a bit of a higher percentage for spending depending on where I go. So I have one for the grocery store and I have one for travel, and those really just give me better benefits. Now, if I get the Jade Green though, I may consider to start depositing more cash into the account and just spending on that rather than using a credit card. So $275, and then also when we go to my card here, you can see I don't keep a lot of cash on the card just because it's really difficult to get it off of the card. You just have to spend it. You can also go to an ATM and withdraw cash, but it's really just not worth it. I'd rather just keep the crypto and, HODL. That's what this is all about. And I'll explain that. And actually, I am going to be making a new video on the history of money and why cryptocurrency is so important to our generation. So make sure you turn on the notification bell. If you're not already, subscribe, and that way you can get notified when that video comes out. Anyway, so as you can see here, I've had 4 months. Yeah, 4 months of the Spotify, and you can see it gets reimbursed every single time, $10.81. And so yeah, that's really nice. And it just comes into my account in MCO tokens. So it's really just awesome to be able to have that every single time. So now we get to the cool part, because as most of you know, I use the Brave browser. I have $185 worth of basic attention token, which actually, as you can see there, since I've made this video, there have been some gains on that. Anyway, so in total, when you take all of the money that I've earned and then you subtract the basic attention token that I've put into the account, and then also you subtract the initial deposit of $150, my total haul from crypto.com is $2,909.78, which is amazing in 6 months just from this platform alone, which is great. Like I said, all of this is because of you, and I'm not trying to brag here. Ultimately, I'm just trying to advocate for the platform because I have been very, very lucrative from it. And also my brother, who is, he's actually 12 years older than me, and he is just a stock market whiz. He is probably my go-to source for investing. And believe it or not, he's actually followed my channel. And I mean, he says it's kind of like playing craps with investing in crypto. But believe it or not, he has actually done extremely well. And the reason is he's smart about his investing. He doesn't just take some advice from some guy on YouTube and follow it word for word without investigating it all and using his brain. But the point is, as great of information as I give on here, my advice and tips aren't always going to be the exact way that you should do it. And that is why my brother has done so well. Actually, he's the one who turned me on to CRO. I had been holding MCO for so long and using that in the earn feature, and I was gaining hardly anything. So when I found out how much he was gaining from CRO, I jumped on that and I made that decision as well. And you can see the outcome from it has been absolutely phenomenal. Going back to what I was saying, yes, I have benefited from this very, very much. But the best part about this is I have gained $2,500 from referring people. But it gets better because this amount is actually times 2. Because those of my viewers who have taken advantage of getting the Ruby Red Visa have gotten $50 as well. So that's $50 times 50 again. And so that brings the total gains from this platform all the way up to $5,409.78. Just think about that. That's not including the gains that those individuals have received from getting the reward earlier on, and also whatever their initial deposit was, making gains as time went on as well. Ultimately, this platform has just been really, really great. Not just for me, but I think for everyone else who has signed up for it as well. So I guess what is my plan going forward from here? Well, like I said, I think the best thing to do is, for me, I'm planning to upgrade to the Jade Green because that will give me a few extra perks. I'll get Netflix. I'll also get a single person access to Airport Lounge, which is, it's called Lounge Key. And so I'm actually really excited about that. I have a few business trips coming up this year that I think would just be really exciting to be able to use that and maybe even make a video on it. So y'all can see what it's like to go into the Lounge Key and see if the Jade Green is for you. Additionally with that, I am also going to I'm going to continue to HODL my cryptocurrencies that are in there. And I'm actually planning on making a regular investment into crypto. As you can see here, Bitcoin has been making a great bull run as of right now. I do expect pullbacks, but in my personal opinion, I see Bitcoin having a great year, probably a great decade, to be honest. And that's really what this investment is all about for me. It's long-term, it's not short-term. I'm not expecting to get rich overnight. And really, I actually just want to help build this infrastructure and be a part of it so that in the future, you know, that's something I can say that I was there to help build. Very similar to the individuals who were there to build paper money, and even all the way back to the people who initially made gold as kind of the gold, you know, the gold standard. That's what it was all about. And that's how our society went from a trading society into a society that has a source of value that you can put on things. It's pretty cool. And cryptocurrency is doing that for the future. I'm going to continue to use the earn feature. Like I said, CRO is by far the #1 that I would use to invest in the crypto earn feature. Definitely just top notch. And like I said, when it comes to this, there's lots of things that I review on my channel, but Crypto.com is the #1 crypto investment platform. By far, hands down. There's not even a competition. There are so many other platforms out there, like, you know, you can invest on Robinhood, eToro, where I do like that feature that they have where you can follow someone else's trades. But to be honest, the best way to do it is to get the sign up bonus, sign up for the Ruby Red. You and I both get $50 for free, and then put that into the crypto earn platform. Bottom line is that for me, it has been a great investment. And while MCO is a little bit high right now, there may be pullbacks, I typically see that it's gonna go up from here. Now keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment from a guy on YouTube. So take it for what it's worth. It's absolutely free. Obviously, do your own due diligence, make good choices, and don't be stupid. And I suspect that everything will turn out well, as long as you use your own brain to make good decisions. So with that, thanks for tuning in. Make sure if you haven't already, smash the like button for me. Just obliterate it, because that's gonna help push this video forward to a larger audience. And then more people jump on the Crypto.com platform, which is really just a benefit for them, for you, for me, for Crypto.com, and ultimately for the world, as we're able to implement this system and platform to help better society. With that being said, also make sure you subscribe to the channel. I mentioned I have a lot of great videos coming out. I have a couple new business partners that I'm gonna be making videos on. So make sure you turn on the notification bell, and that way you'll get notified anytime that I come out with a new video. So thanks for tuning in. Once again, my name is Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.